Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute snack. So what you're going to need is some flour, water, and pizza toppings. So first you need to add your flour to your bowl. And then you need to add some water. Forgot to add, you also need a spoon to mix it. So I used a cup of flour for 2 pizzas, so probably half a cup is good for 1 mini pizza. So you scoop out your dough, then you put it on your plate. So after you got your pizza shape, you're gonna put it in the microwave for about a minute to let it solidify a little bit, because otherwise, when you put in your pizza and your toppings, your cheese will be bubbling hot while your pizza is not quite done yet. So now my dough's been cooking for a minute. We're gonna take it out of the microwave. It might be a little hot. So now we have to add our toppings. So we have pasta sauce, cheese, and if you want, you can add pepperoni or any other pizza toppings. So once you got the sauce on, you put on your cheese. And then you just put on pizza toppings you like, and then we have to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now we put the pizza in the microwave and let it cook for 30 seconds. So now the pizza's done, we're gonna take it out of the microwave. And ta-da, there's your pizza. So now the pizza's cool, now we can eat it. Tasty.